are not tired.
They're not tired?
No. Both of them. Would you like to hear?
Sure, sure. I'm very curious how far Evan will go.
We have to wait till he's done, Eve.
Well, at least I don't think I'm
Oh no, he's been at it for 10 minutes almost. And 3 miles per hour. Kid needs a towel.
Man! Look what the temperature is.
Temperature?
Evan has gone almost a half a mile. Been running for 9 minutes and 40 seconds. 3.0 miles per hour.
Crazy.
Are you
It's
doing okay?
easy. Yeah, easy.
Easy? Okay.
I could keep running. I
Oh.
can run all day.
I believe you.
I do it